Looking for the coolest ways modern insulation contractors are making your home way comfier and saving you big on energy bills? So, let me break it down for you. First up, spray foam insulation is like the superhero of sealing gaps and cracks, keeping your place super airtight and cozy. Then you got radiant barriers, which are all about reflecting heat away, perfect for hot climates to keep your house chill. Blown-in cellulose is another favorite because it's eco-friendly and fills up nooks better than traditional stuff, making your walls and attic tight against drafts. Reflective insulation works kinda like radiant barriers, but is used in different spots to bounce heat away. And don't forget vacuum-insulated panels, which sound fancy but basically pack a serious punch in stopping heat flow with super thin layers. These methods all help cut down your energy bills while keeping your home comfy no matter the season. Plus, choosing the right one depends on where you live and what your house needs, so chat with a pro who knows their stuff. Trust me, it's all about making your home feel just right without wasting cash on heating or cooling. One of the biggest problems with insulation projects is picking the wrong type for your climate, which can totally mess up energy savings. Fix that by doing some research or asking a contractor to recommend what fits best. Another common mistake is poor installation, like gaps or compressed insulation, which ruins its effectiveness. Make sure the job is done by someone experienced who takes their time. Lastly, ignoring air sealing before insulating is a trap lots of people fall into, but sealing leaks first means the insulation works way better and keeps drafts out. So always prioritize sealing those sneaky leaks before adding insulation. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff on insulation and other home upgrades. It also helps contractors find steady work by matching them with people ready to improve their homes without the hassle of endless searching.